Good morning, guys, and next day we just arrived to Paracas. It is next city. Plan for today is grab the boat and go for Galapagos. This is called Galapagos for the poor. We will be see there some sea lions, penguins, a lot of birds. So you should see this in the next shots, and after this we grab a bus and we go for the next place, and on this next place we will have some activity like sandboarding and something else. So I will show you what this will be. And this is place where we will be grab the boat, and this boat look like this.
Ok, tenemos algunos lobos marinos por este lugar, ahí cerca del... Casi in the summer, the lions fight between males for obtaining more females for the breeding season. The pelicans with yellow head, they are adults and they are ready for the breeding season. Pelícanos que tienen la cabeza amarilla. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Estamos dentro de aquí, dentro de la cubita. And here into the cave, left side guys, left side. ¿Quieres acá, por? Una pareja acá. Aquí, la pareja de pingüinos. The nesting season is in the winter, July to September. They have 2 chicks per year and one couple forever. There are more lions inside the cave on the rocks, más lobos de mar dentro de la cueva. Life expectancy of the penguins has been 20 years. Life expectancy of the lions has been 40 years. March, they have one puppy per year, and the pregnancy is in 11 months. La reproducción de los lobos marinos es en la época de verano, diciembre-marzo. Gestación es de 11 meses, una sola cría por cada verano. More penguins, they go to pass 2 years with the mothers after they are independent. Van a pasar solo 2 años con las madres y luego son independientes. Cada madre necesita comer a diario más de 10 kilos de pescado para producir un litro de leche para sus crías. Each mother needs to eat daily more kilos of fish for produce 1 liter of milk for the puppies. Hay un pingüino bebé, ahí there is a baby penguin, the first one. He has got the black line. Those birds flying here are the cormorants. It's a kind of cormorant called guanay.
crece como enredadera. Enero, febrero y la primera semana de marzo, la temporada de cosecha. Tenemos un horno artesanal, lo usamos para hacer pizzas, pan y algunas carnes.
A tutaj mają swoje piece, własne piece do robić pizzę, chleby i mięsa.
Y tenemos nuestro horno de pachamanca. La pachamanca es el estilo tradicional en el cual los incas cocinaban.
To jest piec, który nazywa się pachamanka i to jest ten tryb, który powiem, że wykorzystywali do gotowania.
¿Sí? El proceso de pachamanca dura alrededor de 7 horas. Comenzamos a las 5 de la mañana poniendo las leñas que ven aquí, las ponemos dentro y las encendemos. El fuego calienta las rocas, las calienta durante 5 horas y a las 10 de la mañana empezamos a poner los vegetales.
Very ancient, and its name in Quechua, that is our first language, the Inca's language, is Pisco or Pisco. That means bird. They were made of arcilla, that is like clay. And amigos, for making Pisco, the grape juice ferments here about 2 weeks. The first week is open, is to eliminate all the toxic gases like methanol, carbon dioxide, and the second week is closed. Is to stabilize alcohol because the sugar becomes alcohol, and this process is natural because the grape has little juice.
Salud.
We said if God is our Father and we are His children, if He made us so drunk, we are doing what He wants.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit notification, and we will see you in the next one.